welcome to this Vanlife Storage Wars episode. Do you need more space? Well, so do I. My garage is full of surprises from the past. But here it goes. It's so hard to let go. There goes the windsurfing sails.
Now what is the matter?
My van build filled the garage. Hi viewers, welcome to this hoarding episode of Stay Awesome Van Life. So you've done the build, but you've got all the rubbish left over, and you've got all the stuff you bought you didn't use, and you've got all the stuff you've hoarded for the last 30 years. What do? What's an escape route? I used to be the face of national storage. This is embarrassing. It's time to fight back with a curbside cleanup. That's right, a curbside cleanup. In Australia, we have a curbside cleanup every so often. The council comes and picks up all your junk. Now's the time to empty my garage. You won't believe how much stuff is in my garage.
Got a storage problem? Call us at National Storage. We're your local solution.
Well, this video is going to smash that image. Oh no, I don't believe I'm showing this. I almost wasn't going to, so you're privileged to see it.
I want it out of the garage today. And yes, that goes for your balls as well.
The van build was a lot of fun, but now it's time to clean up my act. So everyone that's watched the van build series will know how many laughs and how many holes I cut in this van. I even cut another sliding door hole in the sliding door so I could put a sliding door window in. So there's that. No more holes, no more. Okay, you come to see the hoarder's garage. Now the backstory. This all starts 30 years ago. Yes, 30 years ago this started. My van build complete. That's taken the last couple of years. But following my van build, I realised my garage was full. So what can I do? What a mess. Absolute mess. Have a look at it. The curbside pickup provides an opportunity to empty the garage with a ruthless attitude. Value junk, yeah, look at that. They're worth a bit of money, especially that racing bike. It went in 5 seconds. Yes, I could sell stuff, but sometimes you just have to value space over items. I need space. Bad. There's no escape from this. The garage was full. It was 30 years worth of hoarding. Oh, what will be found? What was lost? Oh, look at that. Big wad of money. My garage, 30 years of stuff I've forgotten about. Fail or pass? Will I fail? The home's okay. The home's all right. It's just the garage is absolutely chockers. I want it like that one. Here we go. What will be found? What will be lost? And there's a ute there already looking.
Please make sure to hit the like button.
So if you have a tight budget or no budget, check out all the stuff you can get at the street curbside cleanup. You might be able to get a bargain for your van. The campers here, they've rocked up. Some of my stuff's getting recycled now because they like it. Oh well. And watch out, the bin birds want to enter your garage next. But if they like it, they better be in a hurry because the council workers are already picking it all up. So as soon as I put it out on the footpath, it disappears because these bin birds come along and take it. Next thing you know, these guys in the truck will come along and it'll be all gone. Much rather it was recycled.
I know you like it. I know you like it. I know you like it.
Okay, here we have the reveal. Look at
I
that.
know you like it.
Fit my son's car in there.
I know you
Clean up. Wonder how much we'll clean up.
like it.
Oh gee, what a job. Oh, I'm scared. I don't like throwing things out. So, here we go.
Let's keep going.
I know
No laterals in.
I know you like it.
Which one's on the lid, but
3 whole packets.
I know you
So I can see 2 push. I was the novice section on that bike.
I know you like it.
That's my grandma's.
that video's gathered at the back.
So there's a ute there already looking at it.
I know you like it.
Better won the Sandman triathlon with that. Okay, now Sean's going to have a crack at helping me out here a bit. TV, have a look at it all. There we go. There goes the windsurfing sails.
Gonna go out here and give them a go. Hey, look at this after how many years? Okay. Right. 2 of them. All bearing ones. Seen Carl Sandilands using that. And then you got the groin strike. Can't do. What did I make that one up with them one?
Don't bloody kill me with it. Hasn't touched nunchucks for 20 years. I feel
That's it.
I'm in danger.
That's it. Thank goodness for that. That was a massive day. I'm glad it's over. Oh, jeez. It was an absolutely enormous effort. About 3/4 of it was already gone. People have picked it up. 4 and after. It is a lot better, but it's not perfect. Look what I found.
Found old fishing reels, heaps of matchbox cars, and you name it.
I'm gonna go out here and give them a go. Hey, look at this after how many years? Okay. Right. 2 of them. All bearing ones.
I found some photos of me and Sean in the combi era. Rest in peace, Bruce Lee.
That was a massive day. I'm glad it's over. Oh, jeez. It was an absolutely enormous effort. It is a lot better, but it's not perfect.
The sea kayak sold that day for $360, so that was handy. So, I want you to ask me some questions. I want to do a Q&A video. Ask me anything you like and I'll give you an answer. So leave it in the comments. I'll check the comments later after a few weeks and I'll make a video and answer all the questions you may have, whether it be on van life, my life, Sean's life, whatever you want to know, ask then and or forever hold your peace. In the meantime, stay awesome and get your questions ready. Think about it. What would you like to ask? There's over 100 videos there, so I'm sure you'll have one question in amongst it all. Ask me whatever you like. Okay, I'm ready. I'm waiting for your questions. Bye.
Please make sure to hit the like button.
I know you like it. I know you like it. I know you like it.
Feel free to share the video.
I know you